So you arrive, you see Mira looks up at the carriage waiting and goes, yes, yes, incredible.
Okay, good. Yeah, we don't need that bridle.
Yeah.
Just so you know, Mira, I could turn into a horse, so you give me the side, and I'll turn into a horse.
Turn into a horse?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you could just ride a horse around.
Yeah.
Would that be fun?
That's great.
Yeah.
Is it going to be a full transformation, or?
Yeah, you hear my bones crack, and everything becomes like destroyed.
Imagine a horse, but really sharp teeth.
Can you do it just now, just so I can get a look?
Yeah, real quick. Sorry.
Oh, God.
So what ylfa described as a horse, which is a bone-snapped, vivisected little girl.
Hop on, honey.
Okay, honey, hop on.
Just hop on, Mira.
All right, kids. All right. Ooh, whatever process that is makes your skin really hot.
Yeah. Something's dying and being reborn every time.
She goes, okay, well, I'm glad that that's an option and that we have the carriage.
I hop on.
Let's go! A nightmare.
I go in the carriage with Mira.
Yeah, I go in the carriage.